How to fix Binance verification failed. This is a step-by-step video so you can follow easily. Now you can go ahead and do this method whether you're using a computer or a mobile version of Binance. Now what's inside Binance, if you haven't had an account yet, you can just go ahead and click on the sign up button, follow up the on-screen instructions, and you should be good to go. But basically, if you already have an account, you can just go ahead and press the login button from your mobile devices or from your computer, and you want to log into the account that you want to verify. Now the question is, why is the verification failed? Now there are a couple of reasons on why this is happening due to servers and many more, but basically one of the major reasons why your verification has failed is because you have managed to put incorrect details on your verification identity. Basically, if you go ahead and verify something like driver's license, you want to go ahead and get the correct information from your verification IV, whether it's a government IV, driving IV, and more. And you want to go ahead and put that inside Binance right here. You can just go ahead and check all of the informations that you have put and make sure that all of them matches. And in that way, you will be able to get verified here on Binance. So if this video has been helpful for you, please consider by liking and subscribing. I'll make sure to see you again next time. And as always, thank you.